Okay. Also, if you want to use CSS preprocessors like SCSS or SAS, you can install the related dependency of SAS and then use it as usual. Okay, so let's imagine that we want, instead of writing CSS, we need to write SCSS in our application. First, so let's install this package SAS npm install SAS. I will copy this and let's go here, our editor, and in the terminal here, let's write this npm install SAS. Okay, now wait a few seconds until this dependency is installed. Okay, now SAS is installed. Okay, to use SAS, let's create a new directory here. I will call it SAS or SCSS, and let's create sample file. Let's call it app.scss. Okay, now let's write sample style. Sample body here, side of body, a font family, let's add this font family, and let's add the font size 15 pixel for your links. Now we need to load this CSS in the same way we loaded CSS here. We can load the CSS. So let's add a comma and then tilde sign and then assets SCSS and then app SCSS. Okay, now let's return to our browser. As you see here, the style is applied. Okay, if you inspect here this anchor tag, you will see that it takes the font family, this font family, and this font size. Okay, also you can load the style as we did in the SCSS. You can load it in the same component using the @use keyword inside of the style tag. Okay, so let's return back here. You can load this style here inside of the default layout, but you need to add this lang keyword to be SCSS, and you can use the @use keyword, okay, and provide the path to the file, okay, which is still assets SCSS app SCSS. Okay, now let's return back to our browser. You will see this error showing, so you need to restart the development server here. Let's restart the development server. Now the application is also working as shown. Here you will see that the style is loaded in two places, in the app.css and inside of this layout here. Now let's remove this line, as we already loading the style inside nuxt.config.ts. This is for CSS preprocessor and how to load them in Nuxt 3.